Dog likes to play fetch with a soccer ball. It's very entertaining, isn't it?
Get Rosie doing her defense. Let her do her defense.
It's like she knows she's on film or something. Like, what are you doing? What? I'm at Kroger. I'm bored. I'm gonna talk like this again. I don't know why, but I'm happy. I need to get cereal. I forgot what I needed to get already. Captain Crunch and Apple Jacks, I believe. Here's some Apple Jacks. I'll get the one where I can win a DS. That sounds good. Right? Alright, where are Captain Crunch? Captain Crunch. Alright, I need to go. It's the end of the night. And I have to go to school tomorrow. I'm kind of excited, I don't know. I don't like my schedule though. But hopefully I'll be able to sleep tonight. That's why I'm finishing it up early. There's actually still a bit of light in the sky. But unfortunately I still have to use this light over here. Over there. Speaking of something over there, I think it's around here somewhere. Yeah, press the subscribe button. You know you want to. Anyway. I'm going to try to film during school. I don't know if they allow it. A friend was telling me that you have to get permission from the administration or something to film anything during school because of privacy reasons. So I'm going to check it out. And hopefully I can. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. Anyway, it's the end of the night. I already said that. I'm gonna go. Bye.